What do you see there? A beetle. If you study ancient Kemetic texts, they refer to their beetles as dung beetles. If you know how to read the language, it was called Khepera. And Khepera represents transformation. I have some leftover figs that my girlfriend, she don't eat the outside of the figs. She just like to eat the inside of them. So I threw the shells out here, and you can see those beetles. Oh, let me focus. You can see them down there. They're working, they're eating. Back up a little bit. And what they're doing is they are breaking down all of the leftovers and scrap. Now, in Kemet, what is called today Egypt, these beetles, not these particular ones, but beetles that are in their lineage, the dung beetle, what they would do is they would take all of the feces and they would lay their eggs in feces, and they would roll the feces, the dung, into a perfect spear. One of the only creatures on earth that has the capability to actually roll or form a perfect spear, a perfect circle rather. And what they do is they lay their eggs in it, and the eggs, when they're born, they eat the dung and break it down. So this is nature's own recycling. Interesting thing about beetles, and particularly the dung beetle, they always are walking towards the sun. They walk on their front legs, and they will roll the dung with their hind legs, thus forming that perfectly shaped ball. And you see them, they all in there breaking it down, which is good. You know, we need these natural recyclers. And they have that crazy color, and they're flying all around me. But that's just today's next lesson. Remember, I told you guys about nature in one of my previous posts. This is the dung beetle, a very old and ancient natural recycler, and there's many different stories, moral stories related to Khepera. That involves transformation and evolving and getting to the next level of consciousness and just being a good person and living a Ma'atian life. But that's all for today. It's the Black Bonsai Guy. I'm out.